Ooh, you're pretty. What the hell are you doing? Bono is having a stroke.